Hello, I'm Olenka,
I'm Olesya.
and we are event specialists at Intellias. And Daki, our event supervisor. In my 5 years at Intellias, I have organized dozens of events. Among my favorites are St. Nicholas Day, where our colleagues dressed as St. Nicholas to greet Intelli people's children.
One of our company days, Surreal World, was very exciting. And also the Vohonka children bicycle races, because we have been promoting in our company eco-mobility for a long time.
We strive to make each event unique. For one our office days, we ordered 400 candles in our corporate color. We personally packed over 1,000 Christmas boxes for the children.
Once I spent an entire day making little flags with motivation quotes for the cupcakes.
Each event for me is about emotions.
And I am a celebration person. I am a fairy. Intellias is always about emotions and great people.